Tech Finland, this is your technique channel.
Hi friends, I am glad to see you again. Today I will explain about how to install MongoDB in Windows. After long days, I had tried MongoDB setup files for my system, but soon some error while installation because I hadn't created account name and password. I have tried many times, but I hadn't created. Usually, we have create account name is localhost or admin. MongoDB have used our system account name and system account password. My system used Windows 11 and I also haven't created password but used PIN password. So now create new account name and account password for MongoDB. Now enter new account name and password. Now installation process has continued without any interrupt. Recti- Rectify that issue.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe this channel.